Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT. Something went wrong error quickly and easily. The first thing you should do is refresh the ChatGPT page. Sometimes the error only happens because the page did not load correctly. If that does not work, try logging out of your account and then logging back in. To do this, click your profile icon and select Log Out. After that, sign in again with your account details. This can refresh your session and remove temporary problems. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear cache and cookies. Once that is done, restart the browser and open ChatGPT again. You can also test ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. If it works there, the problem is likely caused by your browser settings or extensions. You can also try another browser. If you are using ad blockers, antivirus extensions, or a VPN, disable them temporarily because they can sometimes interfere with ChatGPT. Finally, the issue may be caused by server problems on OpenAI's side. You can check the official OpenAI status page to see if there are any outages or high traffic issues. Thanks for watching.